In the world of e-commerce, having a website that not only looks good, but also performs well in search engine rankings is crucial for attracting customers and driving sales. Shopify and Wix are two of the most popular platforms for building e-commerce websites, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. In today's video, we're diving deep into Shopify versus Wix, specifically focusing on their SEO capabilities to help you decide which platform is best for your e-commerce business in 2024. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which platform best aligns with your business goals and SEO strategy. But before we jump into the details, I do want to let you know about an offer that we have for you. If you do decide to sign up for Shopify, be sure to click the link down in the description below to get started with Shopify for just $1 for your first month. So it's practically a free trial and an excellent way to just test the waters without spending a lot of money. All you have to do is just click the link down in the description, which will bring you to this page here. And as you can see, you can go ahead and enjoy your first month for just $1. All you have to do is type in your email address here and hit start free trial. Then it's just going to ask you a couple different questions here about your business and where you're currently at with selling products or services online. It's going to first ask what best describes you. Either you're just starting or you're already selling online or in person. We'll go ahead and select I'm just starting. Then it's going to ask where you would like to sell, whether that be an online store, in person, social media. We'll go ahead and just select an online store. Then it's going to ask what do you plan to sell, whether that's products I buy or make myself, digital products, dropshipping products, services, or print-on-demand products. We'll go ahead and select dropshipping products and click next. Lastly, it's just going to ask where the business is located, and we'll go ahead and say the United States and hit next. Lastly, you just got to create your Shopify account. Either sign up with an email, Apple, Facebook, or Google, and you'll go ahead and get that first month for just $1 on Shopify. First, let's give you a brief overview of Shopify and Wix. Shopify is a platform designed specifically for e-commerce, provides robust tools for managing products, inventory, and orders, and offers numerous integrations to enhance online selling. Shopify is ideal for businesses looking to scale with advanced features that support large inventories and international sales. Wix, on the other hand, started as a general website builder and has since added e-commerce capabilities. Wix is well suited for small businesses and creative professionals who need a visually appealing website with basic e-commerce functionality. SEO capabilities. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is critical for driving organic traffic to your website. Both Shopify and Wix offer a range of SEO tools, but they cater to different needs and levels of expertise. Shopify's URL structure includes collections and products in product page URLs, which can be less than ideal for SEO. Blogs are categorized under blogs, category, keyword, which also adds unnecessary elements to the URL. This can potentially dilute keyword relevance and impact rankings negatively. Meta tags and descriptions. Shopify allows you to edit meta titles and descriptions for products, collections, and blog posts. However, it requires some technical knowledge to make the most of these features. Detailed customization is available, but users need to be aware of SEO best practices to utilize them effectively. SEO tools. Shopify provides built-in SEO tools and supports third-party apps like SEO Manager and Plugin SEO, which offer advanced SEO functionalities such as keyword suggestions and automated SEO reports. These tools can help you identify and fix SEO issues, optimize meta tags, and track keyword performance. Now, moving on to Wix and their URL structure. Wix also adds elements to its URLs, such as /product page for product pages, but it offers more flexibility in customizing these URLs. This flexibility can be crucial for creating more SEO-friendly URLs that align closely with targeted keywords, meta tags, and description. Wix makes it easy to edit meta titles, descriptions, and alt text directly within the editor. The platform's interface is user-friendly, which makes it accessible even for beginners. You can quickly see how your changes impact the on-page SEO and make adjustments in real time. SEO tools. Wix offers a comprehensive suite of SEO tools, including the SEO Whiz, which guides users through the process of optimizing their site. Additionally, Wix's integration with SEMrush provides valuable keyword data directly in the dashboard. This integration helps users find high-performing keywords and integrate them seamlessly into their content. Now, moving into the technical SEO. Let's take a look at Shopify first and their site speed. Shopify sites generally load faster due to the platform's optimized hosting and infrastructure. Faster load times can improve user experience and positively impact SEO rankings. Shopify uses a global CDN, or content delivery network, to ensure quick load times across different regions. Mobile optimization. Shopify themes are fully responsive, ensuring that your site looks and performs well on mobile devices without any additional customization. Mobile optimization is critical as mobile searches now make up a very significant portion of total searches. SSL certificate. All Shopify stores come with a free SSL certificate, which is essential for security and can boost search engine rankings. Secure sites are favored by search engines and instill trust in the users. Now moving over to Wix and their site speed. Wix has made significant improvements in site speeds, but it can still lag behind Shopify, especially for complex or media-rich sites. Users need to optimize images and reduce unnecessary scripts to improve load times. Wix's site speed can be enhanced by using built-in tools to compress images and streamline code. Mobile optimization. While Wix templates are mobile-friendly, users may need to adjust individual elements to ensure optimal performance on mobile devices. This added customization can help create a better user experience on mobile, but it requires some more effort. SSL certificate. Wix also provides a free SSL certificate for all sites, ensuring secure connections and improved SEO. This feature is essential for any e-commerce site to protect customer data and maintain trust. Now let's take a look at content management, starting with Shopify and their blogging features. Shopify's blogging tools are functional, but not as advanced as Wix's. The platform supports basic blogging features, but it lacks some of the more sophisticated options that content creators might need. For instance, the layout and design options are limited compared to Wix. Content SEO. Shopify allows you to manage SEO for individual blog posts, including meta tags and descriptions. However, it doesn't offer the same level of keyword integration as Wix. Bloggers might find it more challenging to optimize content comprehensively without third-party tools, which could come at an additional cost. Now taking a look at Wix. For blogging, Wix excels in blogging capabilities, offering an intuitive interface for creating and managing blog posts. The platform provides advanced formatting options and design flexibility, making it easier to create visually appealing content. Features like drag and drop elements, video embedding, and custom HTML blocks enhance the blogging experience. Wix's blogging platform is integrated with its SEO tools, allowing users to optimize content more effectively. The SEO Wiz and SEMrush integration help users identify and implement relevant keywords, improving the overall SEO strategy. These tools also provide real-time suggestions for improving on-page SEO. Moving on to international SEO, starting with Shopify. Let's take a look at their multilingual support. Shopify supports multiple languages and currencies, making it easier to create an international audience. The platform's automatic translation of URLs based on the user's language is a significant advantage for their global SEO. This feature ensures that international users have a seamless experience, which can improve engagement and conversions. Geolocation. Shopify's geolocation app helps redirect visitors to the appropriate regional site based on their location, improving user experience and SEO performance. This automatic redirection helps provide relevant content to users, enhancing their experience and increasing the likelihood of conversions. Now moving on to Wix. Wix supports over 180 languages and offers automatic translation services. However, it does not automatically translate URLs, which can be a drawback for international SEO. Users need to manually manage URL translations, which can be time-consuming and a lot less efficient. Geolocation. Wix does not have as robust geolocation features as Shopify, which can be a limitation for businesses targeting multiple regions. While Wix provides tools to create multilingual sites, the lack of automatic geolocation can hinder the user experience for international visitors. Now moving on to some advanced SEO features. So beyond the basics, both platforms offer advanced SEO features that can significantly impact your site's performance. For Shopify, they have structured data. Shopify supports structured data, which helps search engines understand the content on your site. This can improve the visibility of your products in search results through rich snippets. Rich snippets can increase click-through rates by providing users with more information directly in the search results. AMP, or Accelerated Mobile Pages. Shopify supports AMP, which allows your mobile pages to load quickly. Faster loading times can improve mobile SEO and user experience, leading to higher rankings and better engagement. Redirect management. Shopify offers robust tools for managing redirects, which are crucial for maintaining SEO value when URLs change. This feature helps preserve link equity and prevents broken links, which can negatively impact SEO. Moving on to Wix. Wix also supports structured data, but the implementation can be more manual compared to Shopify. However, it provides tools and guides to help user add structured data effectively. SEO patterns. Wix offers SEO patterns, allowing you to create default SEO settings for different types of pages. This feature can save time and ensure consistency across your site. SEO patterns help streamline streamline the process of adding meta tags, descriptions, and other SEO elements. 301 redirects. Wix provides an easy way to manage 301 redirects, helping you maintain SEO value when pages are moved or deleted. This tool is user-friendly and integrates well with the Wix dashboard. User experience and support. Shopify's user experience. Shopify is known for its user-friendly interface, but it requires a bit more technical knowledge to leverage its full potential. Advanced users will appreciate the depth of features, while beginners might need some time to get used to the platform. Support. Shopify offers 24/7 support via chat, email, and phone. The extensive help center and community forums are also valuable resources for troubleshooting and learning. Shopify's support team is highly knowledgeable and can assist with both technical and general inquiries. Wix provides a more intuitive and beginner-friendly experience. Its drag and drop editor and straightforward SEO tools make it easy for anyone to build and optimize a website. The interface is designed to be accessible to users of all skill levels, reducing the learning curve. Support. Wix offers 24/7 support via chat and phone, but email support is limited. The Help Center and community forums provide useful resources, but users may find the support options less comprehensive than Shopify's. However, Wix's user-friendly design often reduces the need for extensive support. When it comes to e-commerce SEO, both Shopify and Wix have their strengths and weaknesses. Shopify, on the one hand, is a powerful platform for businesses looking to scale, with advanced SEO features and excellent support for international markets. Its robust tools for managing products, inventory, and orders, combined with extensive integrations, make it a top choice for large e-commerce operations. However, it requires a bit more technical know-how to fully leverage its SEO capabilities, and its URL structure can sometimes be less than ideal for SEO. Wix, on the other hand, offers a more user-friendly experience with comprehensive SEO tools that are accessible to beginners. Its integration with SEMrush and the SEO Wiz provide valuable guidance for optimizing your site, making it an excellent choice for small businesses and creative professionals. Wix excels in design flexibility and blogging capabilities, making it easier to create visually appealing content that is also SEO friendly. However, its site speed and international SEO features may not be as strong as Shopify's. Ultimately, the best platform for your e-commerce SEO needs will depend on your specific business requirements and level of expertise. If you prioritize scalability and advanced e-commerce features, then Shopify is likely the better choice. But if you value design flexibility, ease of use, comprehensive SEO guidance, Wix may be the ideal platform for you. I hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please be sure to give it a like and consider subscribing for more videos just like this. Here on this channel, we make tons of videos on how to get started and be successful with e-commerce, so be sure to subscribe for more. Don't forget to check out the links down in the description to get started with either Shopify or Wix for whichever best suits your business's needs. Again, thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate it, and we'll see you here in the next video.